Hey guys, RTT back here for the video, guys. Today we have an unboxing of the MacBook Pro. Now, this is a unboxing and a review, and the reason why is because I already unboxed this a very long time ago. It's actually an older product. But again, I'm going to go ahead and get my review of this because this thing is absolutely amazing. And just go ahead and tell you guys what I think. So let's go ahead and first off, pull off the top covering, and we get review MacBook Pro. Now, this is not the one with the very quickly. There we go. All right. So here is what we got, guys. We got the MacBook Pro in all of its glory. We'll look at what else comes in the box and everything like that. But that is our first bad boy to look at. So else in the box, we do, of course, get the cable, which is the charging cable for the MacBook Pro. It does go ahead and have Lightning. Actually, no, USB-C, and I think it's two USB-C. Yep, USB-C to USB-C. So very nice cable, not bad at all. We also get a little instruction guide that says designed by Apple in California. So inside of here, I believe we're going to get some stickers, if I am correct. Yeah, MacBook Pro, and we get all two stickers, all guaranteed stickers we love to have with any Apple product. We also, of course, get our MacBook Pro little diagram here, and then we have the insurance instructions or warranty instructions. So in this right here, we do have welcome to MacBook Pro, and it shows that it does go ahead, and we're going to show them off in a second. But of course, two Thunderbolt 3 USB-C ports. Of course, we have the menu option. We do have a headphone jack on this right here, and again, no actual does not actually come with a touch bar like some of the later models of this. Now, this is actually the MacBook Pro that was right before. I think, no, not right before, sorry. There was also, as we do go ahead and get a power adapter right here, which is very, very awesome. Again, USB-C. But as I was saying, guys, this is actually the exact model that you could either get this model or you get the one with the touch bar. I didn't get the one with the touch bar, though. But it was possible to get the one with the touch bar. So, as I was saying, guys, we do have right here two USB-C ports, BAM and BAM, which are very nice. And of course, on the other side, we do have the headphone jack right here, which is also very, very cool. Now, opening this bad boy up, it is actually very, very great. So again, I'm going to go ahead and push it back so you guys can see from this camera angle. But what we have as it turns on right here is, of course, we do have the beautiful touch bar, beautiful keyboard, which I do love Apple keyboards. They are freaking amazing. Just how they feel, everything like that is just an absolute beautiful feeling. Go ahead and log in real fast. And then, of course, we do have the touch bar, which again, when I first got this, it was actually kind of weird for me because I was like confused on how to work the touch bar, because the way it works is it's different than a lot of mouses on like PCs or even on Apple products, because when you go ahead and push, you have to push in different type of like pressures in order to correctly push a certain point. So when you're pushing like this point, bam, you have to push a little bit harder sometimes, a little bit lighter other times. So it is kind of weird how it is, but again, it's still a very, very nice thing. Now, of course, the one thing I do love about Mac, but I also hate about Mac, is notifications are so cluttered on Mac. And I do, of course, have everything set up for my iMessage on my Android. And again, if you do get a Mac Mini, MacBook, Mac Air, actual iMac, a MacBook Pro, Mac Pro, you can run different DNS servers on here, which lets you be able to go ahead and get that on your what's it called, on your Android phone. So you can iMessage on your Android phone. So it's very nice, very, very awesome. Overall, though, again, how would I rate this? I would rate this exact MacBook Pro right here. I'm gonna go ahead and give it an 8 out of 10. It has gone everywhere with me. It has went to college. I literally had this through my whole entire college career. I've had this, through working, going to work, doing that kind of stuff, and of course, just doing home life. And it's a really great display. It's a really great product. I've had battery life, I would say, somewhere in the range of like 1, 2, 3 days. Like, especially if you're not using it the whole entire time. If you're using it all day long, you're probably going to have like 9, 10 hours. But standby time is very, very well and very, very nice. So overall, guys, that's my review, unboxing, and review of the MacBook Pro. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions, guys. Do you like it? Do you hate it? I know I did go ahead and switch from Android to Apple to Android, but that boy is still very, very awesome. I still like it. See you guys next one. Peace out.